And I've got a recipe that's going to get you going. It's going to get you excited. And pow, you're going to love it. So here we go. Okay, so once you've got your melon, scoop it up, put it in a stainless steel bowl like this. Okay. Okay, once all the melon is in the bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of cold water. We're going to use the immersion blender. Now the next step is going to be to strain your melon out, just like this. That's the thing, you use the right tools, follow the chef's tips, it's going to get easier and better for you. This right here, garbage. Okay, now I got this beautiful concoction here. Basically it's pure watermelon juice. Back in the mixing vessel. Frozen wild berries, fresh banana, so good. Here we go. A frosty glass. Yeah. I'm gonna drink half now and half later. That's it right there. That's gonna get me going. Wow. God's gift. So good. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Oh yeah, I can feel the effects already. The lowest possible price. Yeah, you gotta have that.